Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 16. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this top row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 6. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 7. 2 here, so 1, 7. And that means that our 2 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. For this row now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 4, 9. That 7 makes this our 1, 7, 1, 7. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 6 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.